Don't sell the course, sell the concept. This is something that Caroline Leon, one of my colleagues, said, and I just love it. My name's Tad Hargrave, by the way, marketingforhippies.com. And so don't sell the course, sell the concept. This is so in line with my thinking around point of view marketing. People think that what marketing is supposed to do is, sell a product or a service. But primarily, what we're trying to do in marketing is to make a case for a perspective, for a philosophy, for a worldview, for an idea. We're trying to make the case for that, because if they don't buy that, if they're not convinced of that, they're not going to spend money on the incarnation of that thing. Let's just say you had a health issue and you went to my workshop and I was talking about health, and everything I said you thought was useless. Oh my God, he's talking about the 4 food groups. This is just terrible. Or, you're vegan and I'm talking about eating a carnivore diet, or you're carnivore and I'm talking about eating a vegan diet. So anyway, you just think what I'm saying is ridiculous and has no basis in science. And then I get to the end and I do a really good pitch. You see what I'm saying? And I sell the course. I try to sell you my course. Thanks for coming to the intro workshop. I've got this 10-week course. I've tried to sell it. It's useless. But if, let's say, instead, you show up and you think, I like his concept. Oh my God, that makes a lot of sense to me. I've never thought about food and health and nutrition in that way. Wow, this makes more sense than everything I've heard. But it ties together a lot of things I've already thought. It introduces some new ideas. And you're kind of convinced, you're sold, you're persuaded that the concept that I have is good. And then I do a pitch, but it's not that good a pitch. You see how much better that second option is for you than the first. So you sell the concept, not the course. Don't sell the course, sell the concept, sell the idea. You don't even need to sell it, you just share it. You just share the concept with people. And if people resonate with it, then they're going to want more. They may want help with it. And that's where you then share that. So much marketing is just sharing, not trying to convince people. Or if we're making a case, it's not for them to hire us primarily. It's almost entirely making a case for the approach to the issue, for the way that you do it. So that's all for today. Don't sell the course, sell the concept. I love it. Check out Caroline Leon as well, Leon. She does really fantastic work out there. If you want to check out more of my work, go to marketingforhippies.com. Tons of free stuff there. And thanks to everyone who subscribes to these videos and shares them. I'm extremely grateful that you do. Take care, everyone.